Students, welcome back to today class. Yesterday class we saw about railways and roadways, and today class we are going to see about waterways. And water is called water transport is one of our main transport, and it means travel on water bodies. So like rivers, seas, and oceans. So how we travel on these water bodies through boat and ship. So the ship and boat called passenger ship and cargo ship and tanker ship. The ships carry people. These ships are called passenger ship. Even the ship carry any goods. Goods means things. The ship are called cargo ship. The tanker ship means the ship are used to carry oil and petroleum. Okay, so nowadays luxury liners and cruise liners, so these are the ship they introduced by our government, and the people enjoying their holidays traveling on this type of ship. And important port places in our country like Mumbai, Kolkata, and Kandala and Chennai. So these are the important port places of our country. Okay, and next one is called airways. So air transport is called one of the fastest and most expensive transport. Most expensive means we are traveling faster, so at the time we want to pay more money on this transport. So airplanes and helicopters are called important air transports. The airplanes and helicopters used to carry mails, goods, especially perishable items like perishable items அப்படின்னா வந்துட்டு what is the meaning அப்படின்னா something that gets spoiled, like fruits, vegetables and goods, flowers. ஸோ perishable items வந்து எப்போ ஏரோப்ளேன்ஸ் வந்து கேரி பண்ணும் அப்படின்னா வந்து in case of any war and natural calamities like flood அது மாதிரி டைம்லாம் வந்து என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா வந்து these items are carry to the aeroplane and sent to one place to another place. Okay, the air transport is classified two types. One is international and another one is domestic airlines. The domestic airlines means in India we can travel. In India we can travel one state with another place. Okay, international airlines means it connects India with other countries. So like USA, UK. So these are the places we can travel. These are the countries we can travel. Okay. So dear students, so learn this two topic. So before that I am explain one topic. Air travel is in India offered by both government and private also offering this travel, and government also undertaking this transport. And Indira Gandhi International Airport, New Delhi, and Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport in Mumbai are two the busiest airport in our countries. So Gandhi International Airport, it is located in New Delhi. Another one is Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, that is located in Mumbai. So these two airports are called busiest. Busy means always we can see large amount of people in this places. Okay, so these two airports are called the busiest airport in our country. So dear students, learn this topic. Thank you.